If you're looking at cleaning your block paving and just getting rid of some of that moss and algae that builds up on the sand, then this is a great little tool for the job. It's got a really long handle, so it doesn't matter whether you're short or tall, it's going to work for you. And it's specifically at the right angle so that you can get the most of the moss out of there without bending and hurting your back, which is great. It's got a hardwood handle, it's got a hardwood head as well, and it's got really firm metal bristles, so they're not going to bend. You can give it a good scrubbing. You don't want to take out too much, to be honest, because then you're going to have to re-sand. You only really want to lightly work it just to get rid of the moss. But you've also got this integrated scraper, which is great for getting into the harder to reach places around manholes, grates and things. But I like to use that bit on the shorter part of the brick and then use this on the longer runs. I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how to use it. But it's super easy. You do it dry without water on a dry day and it'll get rid of that moss and algae.